Hey guys, so I'm super excited to share something with you. I just got my diffuser shade in that I've been wanting from the new catalog. It is the Explore shade, and this one's one of my favorites. I have a bunch of them. Okay, I have a bunch. But this one is called Enchant, and it's absolutely beautiful, but I'm ready for something different. My room is very boho, very deserty, and this one just came out, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So let's check it out. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about our diffusers. We have a lifetime guarantee, okay? If for some reason, not the glass part, if you drop it, that's on you, boo. Same with me, because I own a bunch of them. But this part is the same in all of them, in our premium diffusers. We have premium, and then we have deluxe. This is the premium, okay? The inside is all the same. This is called the diffuser base, okay? So if you want a good deal as well, you can buy a base and then go to our clearance section. And I think there's a diffuser shade in there right now for like 10 bucks. Like, there's always ones in there for cheap, okay? So you could save some money. But this part is covered 100%. Like, if it stops working, they will send you a new one, all right? So you go ahead and you open it up, and then you can either fill this up to the little line and then hold your finger under it and go, and the water will come out. Me, I am way too clumsy for that. I don't do that. It's about a half a cup of water, okay? And there is a fill line right here. So we're going to go ahead and just put a half a cup. It's even less than that, okay? So right at the fill line. Okay, so we're going to talk about this scent right here. It is so yummy. It's called Rosewater Lavender. It is in our current catalog, and it is described as, it says, immerse yourself in rosewater accented by soothing lavender and a soft swirl of vanilla. It is beautiful. So let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So you just kind of drop some drops in there, and it's up to you how much scent you want. For me, I like a lot of scent, okay? So I don't count, so don't ask me how many drops, because I don't know. Sometimes I do more, sometimes I do less. If I can't smell it enough, I'll go ahead and add more. That's just how I roll. Okay, so then you go ahead and you put that back on. Now, we're going to go ahead and open my new shade. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get to that. I've seen other people's, and I've been so jealous. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It just looks like the desert to me, which is totally my vibe. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. They're all different. Oh, my dog's here. He hears the sound. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. Okay, so now the cool thing about these diffusers is they have 16, I believe it's 16 LEDs. So there's a lot of different light changing modes, which is great. And then there's 2 diffuser modes. There is the full blast mode that'll give you 4 hours of scent. And then there is the eco mode, which will give you 8 hours of scent. And once the water's gone, the lights will stay on, but it'll turn itself off. So you don't have to worry about, oh no, I have to turn it off. No, don't worry about it. It's fine. So to turn it on, you press the little raindrop here, and it should get going. Okay, I'm hearing it. Yep. I don't know if you could see it going. Yep, you guys could see it going. Okay, so that's full blast. We're going to leave it on full blast. To turn it to eco, you would press it again. My dog's biting me. Oh. Okay, then check out the light modes. That's where the action happens, okay? You press it once, you get full blast light, okay? White light. Press it again, you get soft. Let me turn this down for this part, okay? So that's soft, that's full blast, okay? Ooh, that looks so pretty. And it doesn't do, it's not flickering. It just does that in the video. I don't know why it does that. Oh, you can really see it going now. And it's instant scent too. So instantly I am smelling this and it's amazing. Okay, but check this out. You could press it again, off, on. Now it's flickering, okay? That is the candle mode. It's like candle flicker, okay? Super pretty. It's like very relaxing at night. Then you press and hold again. It'll turn it off. Now this is where it gets good, you guys. You press and hold, and it'll start the LEDs. Okay, so it goes through 16 different colors, and you'll see, ooh, that blue is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. He keeps hitting my tripod. Purple. Let's see which one I like better. Because sometimes I just like the white, and sometimes I like certain colors with different diffusers. The purple. The hot pink. Ooh, red. Oh, I like that. It's like an amber. Oh, wait, I like that. That's like a green. I like all of them. I like the green. I like the green. Hey, stop it. That is so pretty. You guys, I got to pick up this dog. He's not going to leave me alone. He's not going to leave me alone. Hold on, you're getting so big and beefy. He's a Frenchie, and he's heavy. Oh, that teal's pretty. That blue. So you see how gorgeous that is? I'm absolutely loving that. So you can have it just go through all the colors like that, or you can choose by going through like this, which color you like. I'm liking the greens. Ooh, so pretty. That's pretty. I can't even pick, but it's gorgeous. So that is the Explore diffuser shade, and I'm like super here for it. I don't even know which one I like best because I like, you need to stop biting me. He's a puppy and he's a lot. All right, guys. Oh, that deep blue is beautiful. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't know how I'm going to pick which color I like. You put in the comments which one you like the best too. Okay? Oh. You guys pick which one you like too, okay? All right. Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.